Here in the fourth part it says how many square meters of canvas is required for a conical tent whose height is 3.5 meter and radius of the base is 12 meter. Height कितनी mention की हुई है यहाँ पे हमें? It is about 3.5 meter. Secondly हमें radius of base कितना दिया हुआ है? It is given as 12 meter. Radius is there, height is there. Now we have to find the area of the canvas. और ऊपर का पार्ट ही कवर करना है इसका मतलब. You need the CSA of the cone. तो CSA of cone के लिए क्या क्या required होता है? Pi is required, R is required, L is required, but L in this situation is not there. Slant height तो हमें mention ही नहीं है. H हमें दिया हुआ है, R हमें दिया हुआ है, L we need to find. So what is the formula for L square? It is L square is equal to R square plus H square. R square in this case is 12 का square. H square in this case is 3.5 का square. So 12 square is nothing but 144 and 3.5 का square is 12.25 is there. Now take root to the other side और 144 को 12.25 से add करोगे तो it would be 156.25. Take the root of it. It would be 12.5 meter. Now pi in this situation is 22 by 7. R in this situation is 12 and L in this situation is 12.5. So now just multiply all these numbers and divide it with 7. First multiplying 22 with 12. So it is like 264. 264 multiplied with 12.5 then divide with 7. और अगर हम चेक करें 264 7 से डिविजिबल है तो इट इज नॉट. तो इससे बढ़िया तो ये है कि आप पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लो with 12.5 then divide it with 7. So 3300 divided by 7 would be there. So what would be the final answer here in this situation? It would be 471 point, rounding to 2 decimals, I would get 43 as meter cube. So that, sorry, meter square. So that would be the CSA of the cone required.